Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about bold, italic, strong, emphasis tags. So let's start with bold. Bold or B tag had different meaning before HTML5 and they were used to boldface the text. The bold element represents a text to which attention is drawn for utilitarian purpose without any extra importance or an alternate voice or mood, likely to be used in keywords like product names, in a review, keywords in document abstract. But these days, if you just want to have styling changes to make a text look boldface, you can use CSS instead of a B tag. Likewise, italic, we use I tag for text to set off from the normal style for readability reasons. Those with different semantic meaning or different quality or mood of text than the surrounding text. Examples to where I elements can be used are technical terms, alternative voice, idiomatic terms from another language, taxonomic designation, etc. In earlier version of HTML, I element was just a presentational element used to display text in italics, much like presentational B bold tag. This is no longer true as it now defines semantics rather than appearance. And again, you can use a CSS to have some text to italic. So browser will still display the content italic type at the moment of the recording of this video when we use I element, and we can use the strong tag to display text with a strong importance, seriousness, or urgency warning. It could be a sentence or a word. Text is bold-faced like in when we use B tag, but with a strong tag we are saying that it's more of the seriousness or importance. Do not use strong for sole purpose of having a bold style though. Use B elements to grab attention without importance. Even though both B and strong tag boldface the content, there is a difference between B tag and strong tag. Like mentioned in earlier, B can be used to draw attention to text without indicating importance, but strong tag is used to indicate importance, seriousness, or urgency. And similar to italic, we have emphasis. It's left angle bracket, EM, right angle bracket, some content, and closing of the EM tag. EM elements represents text that has stress emphasis on its contents. The placement of stress emphasis changes the meaning of the sentence. The text is between EM tag is displayed as italic. However, do not use it for sole purpose of making the text italic. Use CSS instead. Both the EM and I tags will make the content italics visually, but there is a difference between two. The I tag represents text that sets off from normal style, whereas EM tag, as discussed earlier, represents stress emphasis of its contents. A software reading the text would use verbal stress on the words in the italic with an emphasis. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be back with more content. Stay tuned.